Flags have served as powerful symbols of nations, cultures, and identities throughout history. In this blog post, we delve into the fascinating world of heraldry and uncover the 5 oldest flags still in use today. Let's embark on a journey through time and explore these remarkable emblems. Danish flag, Danish, Dannebrog. The Danish flag, known as the Dannebrog, unfurls its origins to the 13th century. Adorning a red field with a white Scandinavian cross, this ancient standard carries deep historical and cultural significance for Denmark. It stands as a testament to the resilience and valiant spirit of the Danish people throughout centuries of rich heritage. Scottish flag, St. Andrew's Cross. The saltire, Scotland's national flag, flies high as one of the oldest flags in existence, believed to date back to the 9th century. Its design features a white diagonal cross on a striking blue field, symbolizing the martyrdom of St. Andrew, the patron saint of Scotland. This emblem proudly represents the Scottish nation and its illustrious history. Albanian flag, Albanian, Flamuri Ishkeeperis, claiming its position at number 3, the Albanian flag exhibits an ancient lineage reaching back to the 15th century. A bold red field displays a prominent double-headed black eagle, a symbol of bravery, strength, and independence. Rooted in Albania's rich history, this flag resonates with the heroic legacy of Skanderbeg, a national hero who valiantly resisted the Ottoman Empire. The Albanian flag stands as an enduring emblem of national identity and unity. Austrian flag, German, Flag Österreichs, dating back to the 13th century, the Austrian flag unfurls a tricolour design featuring horizontal stripes of red, white, and red. This timeless banner symbolizes Austria's historical and cultural heritage, epitomizing the nation's resilience and pride. From imperial realms to modern republics, the Austrian flag has witnessed the country's journey through the ages. Portuguese flag, Portuguese, Bandeira de Portugal. Embarking on a journey through the 12th century, we discover the Portuguese flag, a vibrant representation of the nation's history. Against a lush green field, it proudly displays the Portuguese coat of arms in the upper left corner. This emblem captures the spirit of exploration and maritime prowess that shaped Portugal's golden age of discoveries, leaving an indelible mark on world history. As we conclude our exploration of the 5 oldest flags in the world, we are reminded of the powerful role these emblems play in representing a nation's history, culture, and identity. From the enduring red and white of Denmark's Dannebrog to the majestic double-headed eagle of Albania's flag, each banner tells a story of resilience, valor, and unity. So, the next time you catch a glimpse of a flag fluttering in the breeze, take a moment to appreciate the rich tapestry of history that it embodies.